Interest rates are low. Big surprise. 10-year Treasury was like around 1.13 or something. I mean, it was below
Sounds close.
1.2,
Yeah.
and that usually follows the 30-year, and
Mm-hmm.
rates are low. It's funny though, your mortgage applications are down 18% from last month. A lot of that has to do with lack of inventory for purchase money loans. However, applications specifically for refinance were also down.
Well, and also, last week we were on with the guys from the what is it, the
No school?
Note School,
Yeah.
and
Joe Varnador.
Joe, yeah, thank you. The available credit index, like what you have to bring and show as a borrower is higher than it has been in quite some time.
Yeah, it's
To
harder
qualify
to qualify
for-
for those really low rates.
Mhm.
And that's usually what happens when it gets to the point where it's almost free money.
Yeah.
You have to be, and we like to use this old bank adage, oh, I can't give you a loan. You actually need the money.
You actually, yeah, exactly. I
And
love
if you
that.
didn't need the money, then we'd be happy to lend it to you.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
But they're only doing these really low interest rate loans to the very best customers.
Yeah.
Or the best borrowers.
Mm-hmm.
Now, fortunately, we have the non-qualified loans that people can get into.
Yep.
But then you're not going to get nearly the savings, and you're probably already at a low interest rate when it comes to refinance. If you have to have cash out, that might be a good opportunity for you.
Correct.
If it still fits within your whatever it was you were looking to do, it could be a really good alternative for you.
Mm-hmm. What else is breaking news?
We had dropping first time in unemployment. It continues to drop. The last 3 weeks in a row, it's been dropping, so that's good.
Excellent.
What's really concerning are the consumer price index and the
they're going down, right?
No. And the what's the other one? It's the wholesale folks, the producers. So it's the producers price index.
Mm-hmm.
So consumer price index was actually only up 0.1% from last month.
Okay.
It's still up 6%
overall from the year
to
before.
year.
Yeah.
The producer price index was expected to go up about, I think it was 0.7%, but it went up 6. So it was way off expectations.
It went up 6, is what you said?
Yeah, because they're.
Oh my gosh!
When you take out the core inflation, or the core, which is energy and food,
mm-hmm.
It was pretty low.
Okay.
But guess what? We all still have to pay for energy and food. We can't get around that.
No.
So, your inflation numbers are going through the roof. We're at 7-8%.
Some argue higher.
Yeah, and some of it's slowing down. Look, lumber prices have plummeted from when we were
still up from last year.
Yeah,
but plummeted from the high about 4 months ago.
When we were complaining about it, okay, they have plummeted from the time that I bought wood till now when I don't need it. That's typically the way it goes.
Yeah.
Just anecdotally, by the way, everything is high. I bought 3 3-foot, 1-inch diameter pipes that were galvanized.
Mm-hmm.
I bought 3 arms, where you turn them.
Okay.
I don't know what the heck you call them, the arm. And then I bought 3 1-inch pieces of pipe. They call it a nipple.
Can you say that on here?
Yeah, but it's only 1 inch, and then it goes into the plate. It's called a floor plate that's bolted into whatever flat place you need to put it. Those items, and again, 3.
Yeah.
1 inch, 36 inch, and then the arms and the plates. $115.
Yeah.
I mean, that's something I would have expected not to pay more than $50 for if I
Man,
Anyway, it's ridiculous how
So-
much everything costs.
everything costs more.
Yeah.
Inflation is up.
When we get back to why people are putting all their money into the stock market,
Mhm.
is because, again, if you're in the bond market and you're only making,
1%,
Yeah.
2%, you're not outpacing any level of inflation.
and by the way, I'm going to get to why the bond market is still doing so well later on in the show.
You know, bond market's a safe, well,
Contradiction,
safe place to be, I
safe,
suppose.
safe-ish. It
Yeah.
depends on where your money was and where it's coming from.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.